Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to the Holistic Collective. After watching today's video, you will be 10 years younger. Confused? What I mean by this is, in today's video, we will be telling you the ancient Japanese secrets to look 10 years younger. But before we share this amazing secret with you, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. And do remember to check out our affiliate products in the description below. While the rest of the world is spending tons of money on anti-aging products and cosmetic treatments to look younger, the Japanese believe in their age-old traditional methods using ingredients which are very commonly found in every kitchen. Believe it or not, you don't have to spend a fortune to have great skin that not only looks youthful but healthy. Japanese women have amazing skin texture and they never seem to age. Even if they do, they seem to age so gracefully. Japanese skincare is also one of the most famous skincare in the world, and a lot of people who have tried it swear by it. So let us unlock these secrets and use them to our benefit. The first method we will be telling you involves just 4 ingredients, and it is so simple to make that it will hardly take you a few minutes. So let's go check out our first recipe to younger looking skin. The ingredients you need are 1 medium-sized raw potato, half an egg white, 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of rice powder. Yes, that's all you need. The Japanese surely have made skincare super easy and affordable for everyone. The process for this is as simple as its contents. Wash the potato well and peel the skin off. Grate the potato or put it in a blender to make a pulp. Squeeze the pulp and extract the juice of the potato. Keep the juice aside undisturbed for about 20 minutes until the starch settles down. Now take the pulp which remained after extracting the potato juice and mix 2 tablespoons of milk in it. This will act as a cleanser for your skin, taking out all the grime and unclogging your pores. Apply the potato pulp and milk mixture on your skin and gently rub it in circular motions, the way you would to cleanse your face. Do this for about 2 to 3 minutes and wash it off with warm water. Pat dry. Now the potato juice will settle down into 2 parts. You will see a thicker starchy layer at the bottom and liquid on top. Separate these two by gently pouring the liquid into another bowl. Now take a nice clean bowl in which you will prepare the second mixture. Add the starchy portion which had settled down into this clean bowl. To this, add half an egg white and 1 tablespoon of rice powder. Mix them well to form a paste. Apply this paste on your face, neck, and this can be applied on your under eyes too. Gently massage it for a minute or so and apply the rest of the paste like a face mask. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Relax with the mask on. Use this 20 minutes not only to work wonders on your skin but also your mind. After 20 minutes, wash off with cold water and then with warm water. After the mask, it is recommended you moisturize your face either with your favorite facial oil or olive oil or sweet almond oil. Use this skin tightening and wrinkle reducing mask thrice a week. This mask also helps in adding that special glow to your face. The second part of our video is about Japanese skincare secrets which will leave your skin looking youthful and help in a big way with avoiding and reducing wrinkles. Japanese women have always believed in a mild form of skincare. They stay away from using any harsh chemicals, and most of their skincare are items which are easily available, nothing fancy. They also prefer to use products that are low in alcohol and more on the natural side. So the first secret is always use a gentle cleanser. Try to use gentle products like a softener. The skin remains hydrated and is not stripped away of its natural oils. Cleansing is very important to achieve healthy skin. It not only washes away bacteria which can enter your pores and cause breakouts, but also helps manage the pH level of your skin. In order to maintain the suppleness of your skin and its moisture, make sure you cleanse your face once a day. Cleansing more than once or maximum twice a day may dry out your skin. A lot of people also ask, what is the best time to cleanse the face? Well, before bedtime is recommended. Also, it doesn't matter if you wear makeup or not. You should always cleanse your skin before bedtime. Finish by applying a serum and a nighttime moisturizer. Secret number 2. Ditch the toner for a skin softener. According to Japanese women, nothing beats a good skin softener to give your skin an extra layer of moisture. Skin softeners hydrate your skin and infuse it with nutrients. Toners, on the other hand, tend to dry out the skin. Softeners are recommended because they lock in moisture and brighten up your complexion, leaving you with smooth and plump skin. Secret number 3. Look for collagen-rich products. The Japanese swear by collagen products. The benefits of collagen are known to the world. It is known to improve skin elasticity, reduce visible wrinkles, and increase blood flow to the skin. Secret number 4. Anti-aging face masks. Try using an anti-aging face mask once or twice a month. The foundation of Japanese skincare lies in keeping a high level of moisture to the skin. The more hydrated the skin is, the healthier it looks. Applying a face mask once or twice a month will help boost the moisture level, resulting in healthy and youthful looking skin. Secret number 5. Give your face a massage. Invest in a good quality face massager and make it a habit to massage your face. You can do this even when you sit and watch TV or read a book. Try to do this every day, at least once a day, preferably before going to bed. You can use the massager after applying your night cream or serum so that you can get maximum benefits from your night skincare. Regular use of a face massager will tone and tighten the skin with its kneading motion. Facial massage helps promote healthy skin while relaxing your facial muscles. It has a relaxing and rejuvenating effect, helping you look and feel better. Apart from these amazing secrets, we also have a bonus secret to help you get amazing skin. And that is, once in a while, leave your skin bare without any products or makeup. Let it just breathe. There is nothing wrong with a full glam look, but leaving your skin free of any application at least once a week or few times a month will let your skin breathe and rest. Additional oxygen to the skin also allows for the repair and regeneration of elastin and collagen, two components that are responsible for giving skin that youthful look and plumpness. Too many products can cause the skin to suffocate. So if you aren't out and are spending the evening at home, take off your makeup before dinner time and leave your skin bare till morning. So those were the Japanese secrets to looking younger. We hope you try these great tips and benefit from all it has to offer. Do remember to do a patch test before you try out anything new. Along with all these great skincare tips, remember what we at the Holistic Collective always tell you. Eat right, exercise, get good sleep, and never forget to smile.